As stated in the D1500 overview video, the Auto EQ button is only for use with the D2500 equalizer. This is how it works. Place the D2500 in your audio chain as you would any other front-of-house equalizer. There is no need to place the analyzer in the audio chain because for this application, we will be using the signal generator in the D2500 equalizer. Take the MIDI out of the analyzer and connect it to the MIDI in on the graphic equalizer. Take the MIDI out of the graphic equalizer and connect it to the MIDI in of the analyzer. Or, if you have the optional DNet cards installed, use two XLR cables to go to and from the two units. Plug the MM01 analyzer mic into the mic in on the analyzer. On the analyzer, load 00 as a starting point. Press MIDI and turn MIDI on. Press MIDI 3 more times to get to System Exclusive and set it to Transmit and Receive. Then press Store. Press Global and use the data wheel to set the input to mic. Then press Store. Press Gen to enter the generator parameters. Press Source and use the data wheel to set it to pink. Press Gain and use the data wheel to bring the generator level up to about -30. Depending on how much amplifier power you are using, you will want to adjust this later. Press RTA to enter the real-time analyzer mode. Press Res and set the resolution to 2 dB. When you get to the graphic equalizer, if you set it to 12 dB cut and boost, the LEDs on the real-time analyzer will match the fader throw on the equalizer. Now move on to the graphic equalizer. Load program 00 by pressing load and using the data wheel to select program 00, then press load again. Move all of the faders to the center or 0 position. Press Auto EQ on the analyzer. If you keep pressing Auto EQ, it will take you through the Auto EQ parameters. These are for fine-tuning what the analyzer will capture. Keep pressing Auto EQ until you get back to Start, No. Turn the data wheel clockwise and it will say Start, Yes, and the Store LED will light. Press Store to start the Auto EQ process. The real-time analyzer will switch to EQ mode so that you can watch the EQ as it is created. Or you can switch it to RTA if you want to watch the real-time analyzer flatten out the room. Use the RTA gain control to get a better look at what's going on. Once you feel that you have a flat enough response, press Auto EQ again to stop the process. To view the EQ curve that was automatically created, press the EQ button once more.